So we're going to get After Effects opening up here, but before I do that, I'm going to check on Creative Cloud so that you know how to get to a specific version. We want to update this together. So right now I do have After Effects installed and it does say update available, but I don't want you clicking on here. Click on the three little dots and click on other versions, and then you can see what version you have now, what the latest version is, and we may be on 24.0.3 for a while, but when they come out with new ones, if you need to get this installed, you'll want to find it in this list. We'll keep up with what the version is that the class is using. So you can install the latest version from here just as easily, but it won't turn on the auto update, which is what we don't want to do. Now, if it's not on this list at all, under apps, you can scroll down, and these are apps that are available in the plan that we have with school, and then these are ones to try, but we'd have to buy this in order to have the full program. So just stick with the ones that are available in our plan. Find After Effects there if it's not installed, and if it is but you need to update, then you are going to click on those three little dots in order to make that update happen. Go to other versions and then install, right now specifically 24.0.3, and if it's already open, you will not be able to update. I won't update just yet, and go and run the program. So this is how you can get to After Effects. Should be on here, whatever version the class is using at that time.